Turning Q engine 12J648. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Look at on compressor. Everything's good. Same as well like altimeter, without any damage. And on this side, engine's looking good. Starter not broken, as you can see. Look as well on the gearbox. Everything nice. And on this side, engine's looking good. Engine's turbo. Without any damage. Feel good turn. On top, all connectors no broken, as you can see. Everything's nice. And the bottom, all in some without any cracks, no leaks. And turning engine 12J648.